Good morning everyone. Today we are given two tasks na kailangan nating i-code. Yung unang task is this one, using the void function. Our code needs to create a stars or yung asterisk. Alam niyo naman yung asterisk, yung ganito, or also called as star. Based on the user's input. So kailangan gagawa tayo ng dapat ang ilalabas niya star yung ganito based sa ilalagay kung ilan ang ilalagay na stars based sa user na mag-input. So, yung pangalawang task naman na gagawin natin is using a normal function where we will determine the highest value out of 3 inputted numbers. So, ayun, let's get started. So, before we write our task, pero nasulat ko na kasi kanina nagbe-video ako, hindi pala siya naka-screen record. And, ayun, inano ko na, tinype ko pa siya kanina, pati yung pangalawang task. So, I'm just gonna copy-paste it para hindi ko na ulitin na i-retype. Parang gano'n. So, ayan, bago natin, syempre, the most important one, itong dalawa. So, this is number equal to iStream using namespace std. We use it para hindi na tayo gumamit ng std, ganito, std, and then yung dalawang ganito, every magsisi-out or magsisi-in tayo kasi it's parang magpapahaba or parang papagulo lang siya sa ating code. Ayan. So, shortcut lang siya talaga for the code para hindi natin mahirapan lagay ng std with double colon. Ayan. So, our first task is uses a void function, which is this one. We're not gonna use int function today, only void. So, ano ba yung void function? It is like a machine but that does a job pero hindi kanya binibigyan ng physical result pabalik or yon. And here our machine's job is to print star. So, ipiprint niya to, which is the asterisk or star. And then first we need to put the prototype of the task, which is this one. This line is the prototype ng ating code. Ayan, this is the prototype. Lagyan natin ang prototype. Ayan, prototype. Ayan. And the second one is the definition. This is the definition lahat to. Ayan. The definition is hold on. Lagyan ng definition. Ayan. We use for loop. Ayan. Kasi yung for loop or yung loop, it keeps track sa bilang ng or sa count. Di ba mag-i-start siya ng 0 and then it keeps printing a star until it reaches the number of the user. So magpiprint lang siya ng magpiprint until yung bilang na nilagay ng user is magpa-pop up na siya na sakto dun sa bilang ng stars. So hold on. So diba tapos na natin yung first task. Ngayon let's move on sa pangalawang task. Yung pangalawang task natin is the one that determines the largest number. Again, we need a prototype. So before the definition, this is actually the return function, or also called this normal function. Unlike this one, it's like a calculator. You give it, magbibigay ka ng numbers, and then it hands you back an answer. We call it the return function. O yun nga, sabi ko kanina, or yung normal function. And then, I'm just gonna paste it guys, kasi sabi ko nga kanina, nagbe-video ako or nag-screen record na ako. Hindi pala na siya naka-play. So, I'm just gonna paste it. Okay? Ayan, tada! Ayan, so, kinapi-paste ko na lang kasi ayun nga. Itutuloy ko na lang siyang i-type. So, int main, ayan. Diba ang ano niya, kasi usually ang kinocode is yung int usually nasa pinakataas, pero ito nasa baba siya, bago siya ay parang nakakapanibago. Ayan, stars, ABC ay ABC. Pagpasensyahan nyo na ako guys kasi lutang ako. And ayan, see out. first task. Tapusin ko lang tong code. Gawin muna. Saan the backlash? Ayun, kulang tayo sa ano. Kaya pala nagtataka ko bakit kulay green. Kulang tayo dyan. And then, ay, mali pala. Tama lang pala yung ginawa ko. Wait lang. Sige, mag-away tayo talaga. Ano ba yan? And then, semicolon. There we go. And then, next one. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, ginagamit natin tong number encode IO stream hanggang STD. Para din na natin kailangan every time STD, may ganyan tayo. Tapos, ganyan. Eh, diba, parang ang hassle. So, ayun, gagamit na lang tayo ng shortcut para hindi tayo ma-hassle. See out, and ulit, see out, and enter, and enter. And then, lagay tayo ng C-in. Stars. And then, print na tayo ng stars. And then sa loob, stars. Ayan. Siyempre, don't forget the semicolon. Did I forget the semicolon? Wala naman, so far, hindi ko pa nakakalimutan ang semicolon. Pero kapag niran natin din, sasabihin niya is walang semicolon. Doon tayo magkabahan. Ang hirap lang kasi using cellphone is, eto nga, sa keyboard. Parang mas madali kapag sa keyboard ng laptop. I mean, Basta, mas madali pag gumagamit ng, ayun, keyboard ng laptop. Tama naman sinabi ko. And so, wait lang. Pagkatapos nito, i-explain ko na lang siya isahan. Maramihan to eh. Ayun, nandito na ako. Ano susunod dito? See out pala. See out. Enter. 3. Then, mag-see out tayo ulit. Ayan, largest number is, dito lalagay kong ano yung pinakamataas na number na nilagay natin. See ulit. Ayan na. So, ayan. Tapos na nga na tayo. So, we start by assuming the first number is the biggest. Then, we compare it to the second and third number. If one of them is bigger, that number becomes the new max at the end. The function returns or hands us to the max. So, sabi nga dito, di ba dapat kapag nag-input tayo ng tatlong number, pag analyze niya yun, analyze ng ating code or ating machine code, na kung ano ba yung pinakamataas dun. Kunwari, ang in-input natin is 1, 2, 3. Ang unahin niyang number, pag compare niya yung dalawang number na nauna, yung which is 1 and 2, tapos, syempre, pipiliin niya dun kung ano yung mas malaki, which is the 2. And then, yung 2 naman and 3, pagko-compare niya dun kung sino yung malaki. So, ang dapat na ilalabas niya, output, is yung 3. Kasi, 3 naman yung pinakamataas na in-input natin. And then, finally, we have the main section. This is the control room. Where everything actually happens, we create some containers called variables to hold the user's number. We will need 4 variables for our task, which is this one. This is yung control room. Dito tayo, dito yung parang yung lahat ng pangyayari dito nangyayari talaga. So, ayun nga, sabi niya, we will need 4 variables, which is ito, 4 stars, first variable, and then ABC. And then first, I'll name it stars for the star. O, siyempre, ayan nga, star. And then yung, then ABC. For void function, ito. And I'll be using ABC, ayan, nilagay ko na dyan, for the 3 numbers to the return function. Ginamit natin yung cin, ayan, mali. Ginamit natin yung cin, to see what the user types on their keyboard. Parang yan yung sa loob, tapos ito yung lalabas. Parang gano'n. So, we take their number and kukunin daw ng number yung code, and then plug it to our star machine, which is this code. For the second task, we start for 3 numbers at once, then pass them to our max function. Pagpasa niya daw dito sa max function, this one. And then the computer shows us the result on the screen. And then try natin siyang i-run. Hopefully walang bug. I mean, walang error pala. Hi, may error siya. Okay. So, may error tayo, guys. So, check ko lang kung ano ba yung mga error. Okay. Kulang tayo ng curly bracket. Ako lang pala ang kulang ng curly bracket. My bad. Ayan, Max. Now, let's run it again. Ayun nga, this is real time, guys, may bug talaga siya, hindi ko to i-edit out para makita nyo din kung ano yung mali ko. Saan ba ako nagkamali? Joke lang. Ayan. Ayun, after tignan, nahanap ko na. Sobra pala tayo ng ganito. Kanina meron siyang, check nyo, nyo. Sobra siya ng bracket. And then, wala pala siyang cin dito. Okay. Ganyan dapat pala siya. No, i-run natin, try natin. Mali pa rin. So, palitan natin to pala ng cout. Kasi hindi ko pala pinalitan cin. Cin nilagay ko kanina. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Pang cout. And then, tatanggalin natin semicolon. And then, nilaro na natin. Ayan. Aray. So, first task. Aray. How many stars do you want to be printed? I want siguro 9. Okay? 9 stars. There you go. And then, sabi, enter 3 numbers. 9, 2, and then let's try 100. Yay! It's working. Pero ayusin lang natin saglit. Sino ba ito? Magkadikit. Ayan ito. First task. Ayusin nyo lang. Pero okay na siya. Nag-work na siya. Pero anuhin ko lang. And lagyan ko lang ng design. Ayan, second task. Ayan, sige lang ulit natin. Yun! Pero para mas maganda pag dalawang para ulit natin. 2, 4, 6 8. Ayan, 9 100 1 million. Ayan. Yay! Tapos na. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Ayan, as you can see, the computer followed our code perfectly. We printed exactly as many stores as we wanted and found the largest number without any guesswork. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.